My name is Abhijit and I'm from manufacturing industry. Since I came to know that MCCIA is arranging this kind of training sessions for working professionals, and that also specifically into import, export, trade finances, it was a great opportunity for me to come across and grab the opportunity to learn new era of trade finances, import activities, export activities. It is not going to benefit me in this company, the current company only, but it is going to give me the benefits in my entire career. It has very good opportunities in future. MCCIA has good arrangement for students. The faculties are also well trained. They are experts into their respective areas, and we are happy to be here as a part of this kind of training sessions. And we are more thankful to my company, to MCCIA, to the faculties, to the staff of the MCCIA for this kind of good arrangement they have for us. Thank you.